Children of standard 4, we discussed about photosynthesis and we discussed the raw materials used in photosynthesis. And we saw that chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight are the necessary raw materials for the process of photosynthesis. So yesterday we did an activity to test the presence of starch in green leaves, and after that we saw the carbon dioxide is necessary for plants to make food. Today we are going to do an activity to show that sunlight is necessary for plants to make food. All of us know that the chlorophyll in green leaves, children, all of us know that the plants are producers, and plant convert the sun energy into food, and you can say the chemical into chemical energy. And for that the chlorophyll traps sun energy because this process requires energy. So how can we show that sunlight is necessary for plants to make food? So first we should take a potted plant, and then after that we must cover the one of the leaf of the plant like that with a sellotape, and you have to keep this plant. We have taken a potted plant with green leaves, and we have to place it in a dark place for 2 or 3 days so that the leaves get de-starched, and cover a part of leaf with a black or any kind of sellotape, you can say black strip, for 5 and 6 hours. So, and after that now we have to leave this plant outdoor for 24 hours. After that, remove the strip and pluck the leaf. Remove the strip and pluck the leaf. So when you pluck this leaf, and after removing this leaf, we have to test for starch. Children, you are aware how to do the starch test. So 2 of the leaves that were not covered by the black strip or any kind of sellotape, you have to boil both, and that leaf that was covered with sellotape, you have to boil in plain water, then boil it in alcohol, and after that when you put some iodine drops to test the presence of starch, what did you see? What do you see? That the covered portion of the leaf does not turn into blue-black color, because the covered part of the leaf did not get the sunlight, and that the portion of that leaf cannot make the food. So you can show by that activity that sunlight is necessary for plants to make food. Now children, we have to remember, and we have to learn some short answers for the revision of chapter 1. First, define stomata. You can see the underside of any leaf are having a small pores that is called stomata. So the underside of the leaf contains tiny openings called stomata. What does stomata do? The stomata help in breathing, photosynthesis, and transpiration. All of us know that the plant also breathe. Plants also breathe oxygen and give out carbon dioxide with the help of stomata, that is underside of the leaf. So plant takes in oxygen, give out carbon dioxide, and when we breathe out carbon dioxide, the plant takes in that carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis with the help of stomata. And transpiration, when they give excess of water through a process called transpiration. So stomata, the function of stomata is to help the plant in breathing, in photosynthesis, and in transpiration. Now, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process in which green plants use light to convert water and carbon dioxide into food, or you can say glucose, is called photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide and water are going to be synthesized in glucose, and oxygen is released at the end of the process. In this process, sunlight and chlorophyll is required for the process. Which gas is released by plants during photosynthesis? We discussed many times oxygen is released by plants during photosynthesis, and that oxygen is very precious to all living beings because we require oxygen to breathe in. So only the plants are the living creature, living things that can give us oxygen, and we are dependent for oxygen on plants.